Today is Shensea's birthday.
Happy birthday to me. I'm getting old. I want to live long, but I don't want to get old. No, that ain't it, bro. 20 something. When I touch 30, I'm gonna be a hoe.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everyone is doing well out there today. Now, people, today is Shensea's birthday, and we just want to take the time out to say happy birthday to her, right? And we encourage you to do the same. Just drop down in the comment section and big her up, or you can pass by our page by Instagram and tell her happy birthday. If you check out our page, everybody will tell her happy birthday. We talk about from Cardi B, Popcorn, we talk about Dextra, we talk about Dexter Daps, Cecile, Dani. You know, everybody you have to say basically. You see me? Mayan, Busta Rhymes, just name unlimited, Lisa, Anna, you know what I mean? Everybody. So if you want to circle our page as well, you know what I mean, and big her up, that would be nice. Now, people, I have some clips to show now where she had the gift them what she get and what she had deal with so far, like how she wake up this morning, then wake her up in her style. So may have the clip them for sure, no mega show in a second, right? Also, you know, Raj say him get her a gift, but it look like Raj never really buy nothing to people. Look like Raj just claim a gift. So we have that video there for sure now as well, right? But people, we know say Shenseea, you know what I mean, she had a rough year last year. You know, she lost her mom and thing, and this year look like she just live it up. It look like it's a better year for her. You know what I mean? She have the international thing going for her and all of that. But people, may I go show another video them. So here goes. Take a look at this.
For her birthday.
Shenseea. I know, I'm just fucking with you. Thank you. Thank you, Hannah. So good. This thing is so good.
Yes, so I want to see what go on this morning. I see how them wake her up in a style. I want to see Ramesh bring in a big thing of flowers for her, fresh flowers it look like. You see me I say? So definitely look like she gonna have another wonderful birthday. I want to know Ramesh them deal with birthday thing already. You know what I mean? From you're a part of the team, you're a part of them family. You know what I mean? Them not left you out. Them I go all out for you. Right? I want to know how Shenseea thing set. Like last year, she has said the Shenyang then bring the celebration all the way through December. So maybe this year we don't know. It might go January, February. You see what I mean? I say, but I don't want to forget the people them we are celebrate them birthday too. You see what I mean? I say, if your birthday today is your birthday, happy birthday to you. If it was yesterday or day before or even tomorrow, you know what I mean? Anytime close to now, big up yourself. You see me? A lot of people when them birthday come up, big up on yourself as well. You see me? When you don't know, it's Libra season, right? So people like me say, I have another video with Raj, you know, and some other gift that Shenseea got. She got a gift from Ramesh as well. So I'm going to show on that, you know what I mean, and then we'll close out the video. So here goes. Take a look at this. Raj giving Shenseea her gift that he bought for her.
More balloons. Is that a note? Oh, that's my address. I'm gonna have to blur that up. Look for Nordstrom. Who you? Eh? Who you?
Happy birthday.
Thank you, Philip. So I go. You say you buy me?
I bought you a Gucci.
What?
Gucci.
Gucci.
Yeah, I just don't even know the word.
Oh my god. Thank you, Ramesh. Love this.
I'm gonna name this little teddy bear Michael.
No.
Which one to name him then?
I'm gonna find a name for him. Thank you, Jerry. Raj, what is this?
Gucci, I got you this. Like
What is in it?
Of course, shoes.
So you tell me. So you. What's happening? Where you get money from for buy Gucci?
Can you buy it?
If you're chubby money.
My son buy my Gucci slippers and Gucci shoes. You just see your face. Thank you, baby.
Welcome, Mama.
Love you.
People, you know why I stand corrected me. They say it look like say I never him buy a gift, but I just my bad that. I know say go. The man buy him gift for him madam. I could have bright face said that. You see what me I say? My apology to you boss. You see me? But people when you see what I go on today, Shenseea birthday like me say, big her up in the comment section and big up everybody where have a birthday coming up today or even before that. You see what me I say? Just go and big up on yourself as well. I want to know how it go. This is just part of the celebration. We don't see everything. You see what I say? We know how Shenseea do her thing. She probably, we don't know about birthday party if she could keep party like that or what. But we are keep our eyes open and look out for see what go on. And as it happen, we will bring it to you. You see what I say? I want to see a whole heap of Shengeng on that channel here. I want to love to see what artists and love to see what artists do. But people, I'm going to just leave it this. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Everybody, may I wish you the best. You know, big up on yourself. You know, stay safe out there. You know what I mean? And just try to keep head up at all times. You see what I say? So big up on yourself, everybody, and stay safe. I'm out.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me, that's an IG, rich, punk, should know, 10 to blacks, yaddy!